just another day when you're a dog, right? T-Rex. Oh. Not just another day for our country. It's our 246th birthday, I believe. Happy birthday to the United States of America. Oh, we've got some... I don't even know what to call it. Rex, what's that? A lot of leftovers around. Yeah, it went late, and we'll be cleaning up today. Hey, there's the jet stream. You've seen the jet stream here a lot. Hi, Doug. How's it going? Looks like a family with a baby also down there. Gorgeous. July 4th, 2022. Now, we do have some mid-level clouds there. Those are altocumulus clouds, and they are going to tend to thicken up a little bit during the day, so it's not going to be a totally sunny day. Sort of a boundary forming right over us between the warm and hot air that's been here and wants to come back. Yesterday we did hit about 85 degrees, and the dew point indeed fell to 34, I believe, at 1 o'clock yesterday. The dew point went from 51 to 34 in an hour, and the wind picked up from the northwest at that time, so that was a push of drier air, not really colder air. I would say that's a street sweeper going by. Weymouth did a tremendous job yesterday. I'll try and give you a little snippet of all the samples of fun activities we had yesterday, including the fireworks. Forecast for today is going to be for a light wind. It's actually going to come onshore during the afternoon. The temperature is going to go from the mid-80s to the mid-70s around Boston and coastal areas as it becomes mostly cloudy, but the sun will kind of shine through the cloud. It's a nice day, that's for sure. And as the fireworks go off, maybe not as beautiful of a waxing buck moon as we had last night, but it's not going to be too shabby. It's going to be a nice night for the fireworks. It's loud. Hopefully it'll get quiet a little bit earlier tonight, as a lot of people are on vacation this week, but some people are going back to work. People have to work every day. The people that have been working cleaning around here have been working really hard. Now, what's going on in the garden? Tomatoes are getting there. It's that time of year. Oh yes, and you know Ron Simon at RNC Nursery in Scituate, he told me a long time ago, prune your Montauk daisies on July 4th. That way they don't fall down as badly in the fall. And this one's huge. I'm gonna fix this pedestal also. So tomorrow morning I plan to have that. And the flag for the United States is going up today. I mean, we've got plenty of flags, but I want that flag pulled back. So that's a goal for today. We're gonna have a front come in. It does not look too wet for southern New England. Here's 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. There are showers and thunderstorms crossing mostly west and north of Boston. Burlington, Vermont may get some hefty weather tomorrow afternoon. The 6 o'clock map shows pretty dry in southern New England, so we might not get any rain out of this. 6 o'clock the next morning, that's the best chance for a shower and a thunderstorm in southern New England. Severe weather should stay off to the south of us. Total precipitation on the Tuesday-Wednesday event is an inch or more Burlington, Vermont to Bangor, Maine, much less to the south, maybe even nothing in parts of southern New England. All right, I want to save a little time here and give you a quick medley of what happened in our neighborhood yesterday. Happy 4th. I mean, happy Independence Day. Sorry about that. All right, here we go. Looks like we got a couple of other e-foilers out. Oh, those aren't e-foil, those are wind foils.
Kite foils, really.
One-handed.
Yeah, they're good.
Just enough wind for them. How about you? You like the wind?
Oh yeah, we can make it through it. We can make it through it. Oh.
We just got to get ourselves down there. That was a close crisscross. You guys missed each other. Is that a lady? You two missed each other. All right, the party has begun. And we know it's a party now because the jet stream is arriving. Yeah, that's the same boat we were taking shrink wrap and staging off of just 4 days ago. Hi, Doug. Kathy. To be young again. Something in the air tonight. Claire Ashley's letting us make a video. And we've got a volunteer to put some burgers on. Thank you, Joe, for showing up here today. We really appreciate that.
Golden hour.
Is that what they call that? The golden hour. Is that the golden boy? Good. Major fires. Good big moon. It's hard to see that some detail. Quincy. Major fire going over there. Squantum. Professional fireworks are about to go off.
No thanks. Tim, can we move